height, length, and width of a rectangular prisms are consecutive integers. Okay, so a rectangular prism. Okay, so this is, let's say if this is x, actually height first, so let's this be x, and this will be x plus 1, and this will be x plus 2. They have to be consecutive. Okay, height being the smallest, okay, so height, and then these are just exactly one apart. If the length and the width are increased by, so let's call this, this is the width, and this is the length. And height is doubled. Okay, so if this is increased by 1, we're going to get x plus 3, you're going to get x plus 2, and this is doubled, so we get 2x. Then the volume of the prism, which is the product of all three, is increased by 120 from the original, which is x times by x plus 1 times by x plus 2. Okay, we gotta solve for x. Let's bring all of this, okay, 120, increased by 120 plus, right? Okay, so let's bring this to the other side. I'm just copying and pasting what we have on the left side. So we get minus x, x plus 1, x plus 2, and then also bring the minus 120 over. Okay, note that from the first two terms we have x in common as well as x plus 2 in common. So let's factor that out. X plus 2, and we get 2 times x plus 3 minus x minus 1 when you open up the bracket here. So x plus 2, you get 2x. Okay, 2x minus x gives you x. 6. Okay, 6 minus 1 gives you 5. Okay, so actually let me bring the 120 over to the other side. Maybe we can do this by trial and error. This is 10 times by 12, right? 5 and 2 and 2 and 6, 2 and 3. So that's, these two numbers are exactly 2 apart. Okay, so what numbers are exactly 2 apart? 2 and 4 are 2 apart. Okay, and then we have 5 times by 3 as 15. It's a bit too far from 2. But if x is equal to 3, right, x plus 2 can be 5, and x plus 5 can be 8. That works. So x should equal to 3. Right, this is 3 times by 5 times by 8. Right, that's exactly the same pattern as this. So by trial and error, we can see that x should equal to 3. So what are the dimensions of the original? It's 3 is the height, and then width is 4, and the length is 5. And of course the units are in centimeters.